Hello everyone, today we are going to see on IICS tutorial series on scenario based question. The question is we need to load the employees data to target in the form of department wise sum of salaries. Okay, here I am going to take my source, it is from flat file. Okay, I have kept my flat file in a C drive. Inside the C drive I have created one folder for source flat file. Then I have kept the file here. Okay, now see in this file, the file it is in the form of comma separated values, that is CSV format. This file only we are going to load into the target in the form of sum of salaries based on the department wise. Okay, now just close this one, and our target it is snowflake. Okay, here I already written that create table statement. Whenever you are creating the table in snowflake, it is present with that the statement with a create or replace, like that it will present. Okay, table, and see here we can get the database name dot schema name dot table name, like that it will present for that name. Okay, here our table name it is emp info.tgt, this one it is a database name, and core it is a schema name. Okay, and what are the fields we need? Take the fields and create the table. Okay, now just execute the statement. Now see here the table it is getting created. Now we can create the mapping in data integration. First go to new and second mapping and create the mapping. Here we need to change our mapping name. My mapping name it is emp underscore department dept underscore salary sum. Okay, this is my mapping name. Now take the source connection. I already said that we are going to take our source from flat file. Take the flat file source and take the object. Here my object it is employees data, it is my object. Select the object from the list and click on OK. Please note it down, whenever you are taking that the file, okay, source it is like a flat file, check that formatting option, delimiter. What are the delimiter you need to present, as well as just do the preview the data. In this preview the data, see this the table, what are the types, data types it is contained. This employee ID it is in the form of integer format. Okay, and this salary column it is present with that integer, and commission percentage, manager ID and department ID. These and all it is present with the integer format. Remaining this all the column it is present with that varchar, that is string data type it is present. Okay, now here just go to the fields here. Okay, now option and edit metadata. Here we need to change our data type. Here I am changing my data type into number. Okay, next here go to salary column. Here I am taking the salary, it is in the form of precision, it is 15. Next go to commission, number, and go 7 you give, manager ID, number format, give the precision here. Next department ID, number format, give the precision here. Now see in the snowflake account, here I have not taken that higher date, that's the reason here I have not mentioned that the higher date, the data type and all. Okay, now we have taken our source. Next we are going to take that aggregate transformation because with help of this aggregate transformation we can get the sum of salaries. Okay, first it is general. General means the transformation name. We can change the transformation name. I am giving the transformation name, it is dpt underscore sum of salaries. This is my transformation name. Next we want to take the group by field. Okay, because based on the department ID only we are going to take that group by field. Okay, next take that aggregator properties. Here we need to create the expression. Okay, the expression from that output field. Okay, give the expression name O underscore sum. Okay. So this is my field name and take the precision, it is double. Okay. Now just click on OK. Now we can configure the expressions. For that, here go to the built-in function and take that aggregate function. Here we are going to do the sum of salaries. Okay, that's the reason here I am going to take that sum. Next take the fields. Okay, the field it is salary field take. Just add the salary in this function. Next validate. Now see here the expression it is getting valid. Now click on OK. Next we want to go to target and give the connection. Our target connection it is a snowflake and select the object. Here we need to select first database, then we need to select the schema. Okay. Schema we need to select. Inside the schema only the table and all it is present. Okay, select the table EMP and click on OK. Now we have taken the table name. Next go to field mapping and map the field here. Okay, here we are going to take the sum of salaries based on the department wise. So that's the reason I have taken the two fields only. Now save the mapping here and start to run the mapping. It will automatically move to that my job session, so we can get the status whether it is success or warning or failed. In this my job session we can see, that is monitor page. Before that, first we can do the cross verification in Oracle SQL Developer. This employees data, select star from employees 1. This employees data only we are used in mapping. Okay, in the form of the CSV format we have used. Okay, now we can write the query for that sum of salaries based on the department wise. For that, first we can take that sum function. Okay, that is aggregate function we can take. Next we want to take the department ID. Okay, department ID we can take from table name, it is employees table. Next use a group by, because whenever you are using the function, that is aggregate function, along with any column, you should call the column in the group by class. Just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, now select the statement and run it. Now just do that order by class. Order by department ID. Now execute this statement. So keep this output aside. Now we can go to data integration. Okay. Now go to my job. Refresh here. Now see here. We can get the status. It is 12 record. It is present. Just maximize this one. Okay. 12 record. It is present to our target. Now go to snowflake and just execute. Select star from EMP table. Okay. Now see in this row 12 record it is present. Okay. Here just see this salary column and department column. Our salary column it is present with that sum of salaries based on the department wise it is present. Now just we can cross verify with that from the Oracle SQL Developer to Snowflake account. Okay. Now see here. For this department ID 10, the sum of salary it is 5,479. Okay, here 5,479 it is present for the department ID. Second department ID it is 20. The sum of salary it is 10,958. Like that here also 10,958, like that it is present. If you can just do the cross verification, because that will be helpful for whether we are doing that properly mapping or not. Like that we can get a clear idea on that. Okay, And if you have any questions on Oracle SQL, IICS, please post the comment in the below. We can discuss on upcoming session. Thank you.